Want to hit 1,000 YouTube subscribers fast? Most beginners struggle for months, but if you follow these steps, you'll speed up your growth and hit 1,000 subscribers way faster. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what to do and what mistakes to avoid to get your first 1,000 subscribers. Here's a question for you. How many subscribers do you have right now? Drop your number in the comments and let's get you to that 1,000 mark. Let's dive in. One problem is if your content is all over the place, people won't subscribe. Most beginners upload videos without a clear plan, and that's why they struggle to grow. So what you need to do is pick a specific niche so YouTube knows who to recommend your content to. You can use searchable video topics, videos people are already looking for in the YouTube search bar or on Google or even on ChatGPT these days. And then stick to 3 to 5 content pillars so your audience will know what to expect from you. For example, if you're in fitness, your content pillars could be weight loss, home workouts, and nutrition tips. Define your niche and your content pillars before you upload any more videos. Now here's a little secret. Shorts are the fastest way to get discovered in 2025. They get pushed to new audiences really quickly, even if your channel is brand new. So how do you do that right? Well, post 3 shorts a week. That gives you more chances to go viral. They're not all going to go viral. Some of them are going to die off rather quickly, but you've got a chance for some of them to really do well. Keep them punchy and engaging and try to hook viewers in the first 3 seconds. They're short attention span viewers in this case. And you don't have to create something new every time you make a short video. You can just repurpose from your long form videos and turn your best tips into shorts. Now here's a word of caution. Don't rely entirely on shorts. They are really great for subscriber growth, but they're not good for watch hours. So it's all about balance with your long form content as well. As an action step for you, post your first short this week if you haven't done any yet. Another secret is to write titles that get clicks. Even the best video won't get any views if the title isn't compelling. The title needs to make people curious and even excited to click. So use power words like fast or secret, or mistake, or proven. Include a number. People love numbered tips and lists. And keep it short and clear. Avoid long, confusing titles. So for example, instead of how to grow on YouTube, say 3 YouTube growth hacks you need to try. Before you upload, ask yourself, would you click on this? The third secret really is all about engagement. YouTube rewards engagement. The more likes, comments, and watch time, well, the more YouTube is going to promote your videos. So you need to spur on engagement. You can do things like asking questions in every video. Which tip helped you the most? I use that a fair bit. Reply to every comment because that boosts engagement and builds community. People will come back and have conversations with you. And use calls to action, CTAs. Tell your viewers exactly what to do next. Like, for example, saying, comment below if you're under 1,000 subs. I'll help you out. Encouraging people to engage can tell YouTube that your video is engaging and it'll give you a boost. You could even try adding a question in your next video's pinned comment. That's the comment directly beneath your video, and so people will be able to read that right away and hopefully feel like they want to engage. The next trick or secret is getting viewers to watch more of your videos. If they watch more than one of your videos, YouTube really sees that as a positive signal and starts recommending your content even more. So how do you do it right? Well, use end screens to recommend your next video. I use end screens on all of my videos and invite you to watch the next helpful video, whatever that might be. You could also add a pinned comment with a link to another video, especially a related video. That can work quite well. And you can create playlists so viewers have an opportunity to binge watch your content. When it comes to those end screens, YouTube is actually pretty good at recommending videos that your viewers would find valuable to watch next. but you can also choose which videos to link. So an action step for you would be to add an end screen to every video linking to a related video, or you can let YouTube choose what's best for the viewer. These are exactly the things you need to do to get your first 1,000 subscribers fast. If you want some personalized advice for your channel, you can book a YouTube Kickstart one-to-one session with me. There's a link in the description box below for that. And if you want my step-by-step YouTube content blueprint, well, you can grab that with the link in the description box as well. If you're serious about growing really fast, watch this next video and I'll show you how to monetize your channel before ever hitting 1,000 subscribers. I'll see you there.